Oh shit, it's that boy. My ex-girlfriend says that this blouse makes me look like a cheap pimp. So at least it makes me look like I have a job, so I feel like I'm still moving up in life. Also, I was gonna make this video with natural light, which looks a lot better, but my neighbors, they're like, you know what, let's do construction work on this day that Jelly wants to film. Because who gives a fuck about Jelly's videos? No one does. It's not like the light really affects the quality of my videos, they're still bad. Greetings, traveler, I'm SnapJelly, and I got another box. Guess what's in it? I'm not gonna tell you what's in it yet because I want to build suspense. But I can give you a hint. It starts with an S and it ends with ORD. Now, in my previous unboxing videos, people seemed to be pretty upset that I was using quite a dull scissors to open the box. I can't imagine why. But you know, we care about knife safety on this channel, so I got this thing that is like supposedly a tool to open boxes safely. It is like a plastic thing with a little hook on it, and it has this little pointy thing that you use to create a hole, and you can shove the plastic in there, and you can just easily, very safely and smoothly open whatever package you have. But I couldn't find that, so... Remember kids, always stab towards your body, alright? And with the most force as possible, because if you stab away from your body and you go gently, you know, your knife might slip off and you might hurt somebody else. No, you really want to stab in your own direction as fast as possible. You just ram it in there, that's the safest. Also, you don't need parental supervision. I mean, what could go wrong with this? Nothing, right? You're like, what, 12? That's an adult. You don't need help. Also, make sure that when you're opening a package, that you got your opposite hand, like, precisely on the other side, right? Because you don't want, as you're opening your package, you don't want it to flop around. You want a secure grip, so you want your hand, like, right on the opposite side when you're stabbing the package, because that way it's as secure as possible, and it will never ever slip. Make sure that you do that. There's also like 15 stickers on this box. I don't know where it has been, but like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 stickers. 10 stickers. Okay, well, let's open this boy. I'm still bad at this. I always kind of want to do it like properly and nicely, but it never works, so I might as well just rip it apart. I'm in all honesty not certain if this knife is actually sharper than the scissors. Maybe because this knife is several years old and it's been laying in like a closet for years and nobody ever uses it. I got through. There we go. Don't need that. Alright, so this is the, what was it called again? The light hand and a half sword by Fabrio Morum. And basically I got this sword because it was cheap. and I wanted to see what cheap options there were for longsword trainers besides basically the Hanwei Tinker Pierce. Because pretty much everyone, if they want to start doing longsword fencing but they don't want to spend a lot of money, they get the Hanwei Tinker Pierce. And I personally don't really like the Hanwei Tinker Pierce. There's shit tons of videos already complaining about that. So I wanted to get another one, and I also wanted like a longsword that is shorter, like a bastard sword, if you might. And I found this, and it was cheap, and I was like, might as well try it. It's actually... It feels different than I expected. I'm not sure if it's heavier than I really wanted to be. I'm gonna have to weigh it. But actually it's nice. The grip is a nice length. It's yeah, basically that's all I have to say about it. I don't know why or how people make unboxing videos that are like 20 minutes long, because I really don't know what else I'd have to say about this. Let's measure it. It is 1 meter and 5 centimeters. That's a for fuck's sake. That's a nice length. Actually, it's a length that I like. I usually like swords that are a little bit on the short side. So it's cool. Okay, so pretty much that's all I have to say about it for now. I will try this one out and get back to you about how it functions, and then you can decide if you want one yourself. Not sponsored, but well. I already used some of Fabria Morum's products before, like my Messer is from Fabria Morum, and it feels very nice and it handles very well, but it's already, I have abused it quite a bit, but it's already showing some signs of wear on the handle. So I'm curious to see how this holds up. But anyway, that's all for now. Goodbye. Now where am I gonna put it?